Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add tags to contacts in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Contacts. You'll now see your contact list. Find the contact you want to tag, or use the search bar to locate them quickly. You can also select multiple contacts if you want to tag several subscribers at the same time. Once you've selected the contacts, click the Actions button. Choose Add Tags from the drop-down menu. If you've already created tags, simply select the ones you want to use. If not, type a new tag name and create it. Then click Apply. The selected tag will now be added to your contacts. Tags are useful for organizing subscribers based on interests, purchases, lead sources, or marketing campaigns. You can later use these tags to send targeted emails and build more effective automation workflows. That's it. You've successfully added tags to contacts in GetResponse. A special bonus: anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, Wrapped Gift, 100 high-converting email subject lines for affiliate marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials.